In this video, I want to show you how to disable and then re-enable your antivirus on your any Windows-based computer, and it doesn't matter if you got Norton or McAfee or AVG or Avast, whatever you have. So I want to show you how to do it. And this specific computer is Windows 10, but again, it could work with a Windows 11 or whatever you have. So what I want you to do is locate your icon for your antivirus on your computer. And if you can't find it on the desktop, you're just going to go over here on the very bottom right of Windows. Next to your time, you're going to look for this little arrow that looks like this. It's like a little house arrow going up. You click on it, and then you hover over your antivirus, and it's saying that my password is off, which is fine. And what you want to do is you want to right click, and then what you want to do here is you want to click the little arrow where it says protection is on. You just want to click it temporarily, and then it says, are you sure you want to stop all shields? You click OK. Now this is for AVG, but again, this will work for any antivirus, so the settings might be a little bit different, but that's okay. And then to re-enable it, you just simply go back to it. You find it again, you right click it, and then what you want to do is click that little thing again to protection is now back on. And that's it. And if you see the icon on your desktop somewhere, you can right click on the icon, the antivirus on the desktop, and do the exact same thing. Alright, thank you so much.